about energy meter. You know what is energy meter? What is the purpose of meters normally? What does the meter does? Normally a meter, voltmeter, what it does? Measures the flow of current. Which meter measures the flow of current? A meter measures the flow of current. Now what is the electricity consumed or used? Whether you have seen the energy meters, I think every homes and every industries we have energy meter. Can you see that? Yes. Where? Most we have this. Yeah. What it does normally, our electricity bill, right? Where it is, where they are calculating the electricity bills, depending on
meter.
We'll check the reading. That is the consumption, right? The consumption depends on the current consumed. Okay. For example, in mechanical terms, what we call the load. Load, normally mechanical quantities. What does the load represents? Mass, weight, right? In electrical, what does the load represent? For example, I am saying load. We have given the load to the circuit. What does the load represent? Correct. Okay. For example, this tube light is a load. This fan is a load. Fridge, refrigerator, everything which consumes electricity or current, we call it as load. Okay. So when you consume, when our load consumption gets increased, our meter ratings will be increasing. So depending upon that, our electricity bill is calculated and tariff is calculated depending upon the unit consumption. Okay. So this is in previous years we have a aluminium disc type meters, right? Anyone have seen that type of energy meter? That will be aluminium disc rotating inside. Can you see? No. Okay, what type of energy meter is in your home? It's like a what? What is it? Digital type, right? Nowadays we have digital meters, and that is in digital meters we will not have any aluminium disc. When you are going to the old houses and all, you can see the aluminium disc. Then the aluminium disc will be rotating depending upon the load consumption or energy consumption. Okay, and the advanced type of energy meter we call it as smart meters. Do you have any idea? Smart meters.
Provides real-time data.
Provides real-time data. That is nothing but a meter which works smartly. Okay. That is, for example, it can predict, it can give the real-time data. For example, how much data you are consuming, it will give the data to you, and how you can reduce it. For example, if you know how much units you are consuming priorly, you can reduce it, right? And you can just get the data and you can just make changes accordingly. And many research projects are going on in energy meters. Okay, I mean smart meters. And we have smart grid also, smart grids. Normally the grid is interconnection of networks. Okay, so interconnection of networks in the sense, for example, you have a generating station, you have a power plant, right? You have a power plant, and every power plant will be connected in a single grid, in a single point. That when we call it as a grid. It will be connected everywhere. In overall India now we have only one grid. And previous past 10 years back, 5 years back, now we have 5 grids or something. Now we have only one grid. For example, where the demand is more, we can take the supply. Okay, so I think we have got what is energy meters, smart meters. Okay, so in energy meters we have pressure coil and current coil. Okay, depending upon that it will work. We have pressure coil and current coil. And nowadays the smart meters, right? In research centers, for example, the CPI, Central Power Research Institute, we have many ongoing projects. So I have seen smart meter there, and it gets the data, and we can process it. And how we can process it? Anyone can say the example or any application, small application, how we can use these smart meters? Smart meters.
Where the workload is heavy, to make a phone and a launch
Okay, any other application of smart meters, or where can the energy meters used efficiently? How we can use the energy meter efficiently?
directly to the electricity bill. So
Actually, yeah, continue.
person will not come and check the energy meter frequently to our house.
Okay. Normally, smart meters is two-way communication. It will go to the board also, and we can also check ourselves. Okay, that's smart meters advantage. It will be two-way communication. Any other smart is nothing but it will be working very smartly, right? So everywhere there will be two-way communication. Any other? I like to hear some answers from this side. Energy meters where we are using in residential area or industrial area, and we have single phase energy meter as well as three phase energy meter depending upon the supply you are using. Which supply you are using in your home? Three phase or single phase? Single phase. Okay. If you are using three phase in your home, kindly check your energy meter there. What type of energy meter? Listen, every rating there will be in your energy meter. For example, how much watts it's taking, how much voltage, maximum current, when your appliance, right, goes beyond the rated only, your circuit is very strict. Okay, so that's all the energy meters and smart meters.